ka Balang Unitarian kadai ka Balang ka balaseng da ubabu hajom kisor sing hakasnem khat praspa prapuhnyo hajowai harilum jantia kanyam ka balatip kum kanyam mani weiblay kadai ka Balang ka ba hakapor basdang ladon tang khendiat ngut kiriunget henry menta kala roy hakeleng ka jela Meghalaya bat hakajela Assam hakaba kiriunget kiladon palat shipau hajar ngut kani ka Balang ka balasdang na jowai menta ha Shillong kala su'thiet ha laban bat hanong thamai kat ba Kiwei ki benta jong ka jela kala don ha Karang Puriang Mutercia ha Karbi Anglong bat Kiwei de ki Jaka
Kani kanyam Unitarian lanengi ong kanyam mani weblay lasang yaka kum kanyam mani weblay shwa ha ka Balang Juwai ha ka khat pratarik u September khat praspa prapunyo lasang yaka ni kanyam da i babu hajam kiso singling do nong bri hang te apo Juwai bat ha ka po be isang yaka ni kanyam ila pensyongnya bat penmudel yala di bat kumta ila sang yaka ni kanyam halo ka nong rim ba ublay ulong tang uwei bat kumta hiru ke bangisa ong ikini Unitarian kanyam mani weiblay kamut ublay ulang tang uwei hi hakapor basang yang ka Balang haka hausnam khat praspa prapunyo la sengsha haka Balang Juwai but anda hadian ba ibu babu hajam kisosing lingdo nongbri ulawan shene shapo Shillong naman din ka jingtrai ka kam ka jong u te kumtaru kalanang roy ka Balang haka Balang Shillong kumjo but kone ka Balang Unitarian mentar ka don hapok khasi bat Gentle Hills bat kumjo ru ka don hapok Karbi Anglong district ka bahap hapok Khuborjylla Assam. Kumbakalong mentar ngiladon kumbalay lai punri tali ki Balang ki bahap hapok ka jela jong ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam ru kumjo bat ngilanang UI ka jingnang roy jong ki Balang bakiladon ki Balang ru ki badang Shimi shan ki parabanget kiladon kumba shipau hajar tami ki parabanget jong ka Balang jong ngan pai khendet chaka history jong kumno kami ka Balang Unitarian hang ne u babu hajam kisosing lingdo nongbri ulay kendo bat uwe ubramo ujob Solomon bat une ujob Solomon ula ai ki jingtho ki jingtar jong u Reverend Charles Dol u badai u Unitarian minister nang thena ribilat kumta ba ka basa ayo yang kata keteng Unitarian ru kadai na kata hore hapo baseng ni seng ya kum kanya mani weiblay banda la ayo kita gijing tho jong tau Unitarian minister jong ki Unitarians ki bana shabar ki bana shari bilat na shari America ba sa ai keteng ya kanya Unitarian
laseng ya kani ka Balang haka khat phra tarik unai lur ka snam khat praspa prapo nyau kumta ka khat phra tarik unai lur hadin ka snam khat praspa prapo nyau haki riunget jong ka Balang Unitarian ki nyau kerpang bat ka sngi ya ki riunget ka badai ka lungkhu snam jong ka ni ka Balang haka ba man la ka snam laju rakhe pen kraw ru ya ka ni ka sngi haka shisin shisnam menta ka snam hajar arpusaru ya ka ni ka jingrakhe la sakhi haka khat phra tarik menta unai lur hakkeleng ki yeng mane jong ka Balang Unitarian henry ka jingrakhe ka ba kham he hakani ka snam la sakhi ha Balang Unitarian madan raj laban hakani ka jingrakhe ya kani ka jinglingkhu snam ka ba shispa laipo nyau layadon lang ru ka Director General of Police ka jela Meghalaya kong ida shisha nongrang IPS ibala long ikong san hakani ka sngi katba ka Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District kong Rosetta M Kurba IAS kum kesembut kongsan rengkat ka jingadon lang UMLA kani ka than uba sanbor shulai
ya kani ka sngi nama ba kani ka khat pratarik u September bat kadai ro ka sngi seng jong kani kanya mani weiblay ka bahap ka khat pratarik u September bat manus nam ni rakhi pendan buram ya kani ka sngi kum kasi anniversary lanengi ong ka Unitarian anniversary dia nama kani ka sngi seng jong kani ka Balang ka jongi hangni hapo rilum khasi jantia bat Karbi ro kumjo
ya kani ka jingrakhe ha kani ka sngi lapan ya da uba tei hokson rani kum u moderator la sedang da ka jinga thang syarak bat ka jing duai lingkot ka Samla penshisha mlem ngap bat ka jingkran kerpang halor kani ka lungkhu snam na ka minister jong ka Unitarian Union of North East India ka Samla Alisha Marbarani rengkat ka jinga don lang Kiwei de ki riu pau khmat jong kani ka Balang ba kenthop ya Reverend Derek P Paryat na ka Balang Unitarian nong thamai Shillong u convener jong ka anniversary celebration committee ba RG Marbanyang bat Kiwei de Nalor ki kenrem ki lendan ki belasha khot sngobha, hakani kasngi la khot sngobharu ye ki nong mi khmat na ki niam ba pher ki badon hakani ka nong ba Shillong banya don bantalang hakani ka jingrakhi.
The theme which says Lenti Kanyam Uble Babanhon Nesev Hakaparen, embracing the divine part transcends our soul. This is indeed a very deep theme that you've given to for today, embracing the divine part. Lane kabangin yai hakalenti kablabo laplilan lenti the O Jesus Christ. It opens up one's heart and soul and embraces a divine presence which can lead to a profound sense of belonging and a purpose. Kani kalenti kabalay lam to try Jesus Christ ini baro kamtam yapi baro badan hangni kaple la lenti yani ya kamasiam jungi yang jingwa jing perkat jungi bangila ban sutu bangidon kata habdeng kata kajing don kata purpose ngom ophare lane kadan kadau kasin bangini don lang hangni bangin ya mani yo blay ubaim ladang ibut ya kanne kalenti following this path as individual. I would like to quote the proverb 3 verse 5 and 6. Trust in the Lord with all our heart and lean not on our own understanding. In all your ways submit it to Him, and He will make your path straight. To be able to do this, we all have to have a very prayerful life.
The theme for today's program, embracing the divine plan, the divine path, transcends our soul. While I could understand the words, the individual words in the theme, the phrase as a totality had me flummoxed. So I thought I'd break it up into each of the individual words and see what kind of a meaning I'd get out of it. I look at embracing, which is accepting a belief, a theory, or a change, willingly and enthusiastically. Divine, which refers to being God or godlike, or something which is supremely good. A path, which is a way or a track. A divine path. I like the definitions of the brahmacharis when they say that the divine path is to go beyond accepting the path which goes beyond our compulsive nature and moves with a conscious process toward getting that attainment in life. And then when you talk about transcends, what do you mean by transcends? To be or to go beyond the range or limits of the field. And then you concluded with the word soul. What is our soul? It's a different thing for different people, but the common definition is the spiritual or immaterial part of a human. There are people amongst us who feel that even other beings have souls. That is debatable. But when we take the whole team together, embracing the divine path transcends our soul, what does it really mean? Does it mean that the path that we have taken should be a divine one? Or should we look for a divine path which would help us transcend our soul? Even when I broke up the theme into the various individual works, I really couldn't figure out what exactly I would say to such an elite, erudite audience which I knew would be sitting before me today.
Ya kani ka bangi kani ka deka tradition ka jongi lane ka hagman ki anniversary ngi jukhot khamtam ikili religious leaders namar ba kanyam Unitarian kalong kanyam ka bakentup ka bakudup lut ya baro te ngi shimru teng kidan ki jinghikai ki babha ki bangi shim na kiwei ki bangi shim na kiwei ki Niam ru kumju te kumta kumka jingpen ya kata ka jing buram ya kata ka bengi ong ka inclusiveness ka jongi ni shekhot ikini ki religious leaders man usnem ban pen ba ha ka perthai ka bangi em ngi sa ngi don kam ya ka jing teli khana ba ka perthai kan long ka basong suk song sai